Okay, so this is what your Padlet screen would look like as you're getting ready to build your Padlet. You'll notice I already have one made. I use the free version of Padlet, so I can keep up to 3 at a time. If you want more, you can upgrade and pay a fee, but 3's been fine for me. Quickly, to make a Padlet, you simply click on the Padlet that you want. There are a bunch of different types over here. I really like the back channel. It creates more of like a chat screen that they can interact with each other. There's templates, but blank screens typically work easier for me. So I simply select one. I can go through, I can make my own title, I can change my backgrounds, I can pick themes, fonts, apps, symbols, whatever. However you want to make it for yourself. I click next. I always make mine public, and then much like your Google Suite products, you can choose what people with your URL code can do. You click next and start posting, and you are ready to use your Padlet. So for our class, I have one built for Edgar Allan Poe. The students are competing in teams to research facts about Edgar Allan Poe. This is the introductory lesson into an author study unit that we're going to be conducting. And kids don't typically know who Edgar Allan Poe is, or at least not much about him. So I'm going to use this as kind of a prior knowledge building activity. And in the groups, I'll have one student who is posting the facts while the others are researching. It keeps the screen a little less chaotic. And then we'll use this information to generate a class discussion and then eventually work on writing summaries and making predictions about what the text could further hold.